bless, man. I say them kids, I don't know how warm
Please
to them,
answer that. That's Paul's school. Please answer that. That's Paul's school.
Hello, God bless.
Yes, good afternoon, Miss Beatty.
Yes, this is Miss Beatty.
Yes, I'm just calling to let you know that Paul's gonna get a flu shot today.
Flu shot? No. Paul don't need no flu shot.
Miss Beatty, it's mandatory, and the flu has been going around. He needs it.
What? Him drink Cersei, him drink Strongback, him drink Feral, and him drink Cold Bush, because I have white rum for rub him down if him get sick. Me the business out a spread out there.
Miss Beatty, it's our policy. He has to have it.
Something. Is you push him out or is me? Are you name Lindell Marshall? Because I know saying you name son.
That's not necessary.
Listen to me now. N-O means no. Alright? So the only way I get that flu shot is over my dead body. Because if we don't give him it, I'm going to have the one on a license down there.
Miss Beatty.